Alright folks, so this is going to be the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8. This is my first GoPro, so I'm pretty excited. And let's take a look at what the box consists of. Some hard plastic, just a photo of it, a couple of instruction, or a couple of symbols, tells you what it does. And in the bottom here, there's a blue strip, so all you got to do is pull it. I already pulled it off. But let's take a look what we have here. It's a 12 megapixel camera, 4K, 60 frames a second, or 1080p 240, plus other settings as well. You got 8 times the Slo-Mo, which this allows you to produce slow motion movies. Hypersmooth 2.0, which that is a video stabilization, keeps your video from shaking too much. TimeWarp 2.0, this increases the speed of your video. You can do live streaming at 1080p. Live burst, this records the moments. It's 1.5 seconds before and after your shot, so that's a pretty cool feature. Super photo HDR. From what I understand, this helps to make darker areas brighter, so it helps with luminosity. And then you have raw photos. Use a file extension. I believe it's DNG format. There's some other pictures here. It looks like it's voice activated. Not sure what that is. This is showing that you can go down water 33 feet or up to 10 meters, and it's GPS. So this at Walmart is $3.49. I also purchased the 4-year warranty through Walmart's warranty program, and that was additional $45, since I'll be using this a lot in the summer, and I'll be putting that to especially in the water here in Austin, Texas. As we know, there's a lot of swimming spots in Austin, great outdoor city. So let's take a look here. Let's take this stuff out here. See what we have. It's got some stickers. This is a safety instruction booklet. I don't think this shows you how to exactly operate it. I think it's just some a safety guideline. You can subscribe here, GoPro.com/free+, and you get unlimited cloud storage of your GoPro footage and damaged camera replacement, no questions asked. So I'm definitely gonna try this, even though I have a 4-year warranty through Walmart Protections Plan. So here are the instructions. You go to the GoPro app, download that app. I have that on my phone. We'll see if it works. So step 1, take this off, this mount, and these legs or fingers. I'm not sure what exactly they call these. I'm just gonna put them up. So looks like this is the helmet mount, and it's curved, so it's got the sticky. So you set that on your helmet. It's got a USB Type-C, USB and a Type-C. I know a lot of Android phones use a Type-C charger. You got your GoPro battery. So let's take a look. Step 3, looks like your door hinge is on the side. So what you want to do is just slide it down and then pop it up. And as you can tell, this door seems very flimsy. This just clips back on. I don't like the feel of it. It feels like it's gonna break off all the time. And then again, down, and then up. As soon as I take it up, it just comes off. There's your lens, your screen in the back. Let's take this off. We'll take a look at it. Yep, there it goes again. So I'm definitely not a fan of that. If anybody has a GoPro 7, I wonder if they have the same problem as I'm having with this. I mean, I just barely touched it and it's coming apart. Okay. Well, hopefully, let's put the battery in. Well, so there's your charger for your micro US or your USB-C plugs right in. Let me leave the store hinge off for now. Your SD card slot, and then your battery. This here, pick that up and just squeeze and slide it off. So when you put this on your helmet, you'll put this on just like that. Then you can put your GoPro and these are very flimsy as well, so I don't know if these are gonna last, but hopefully we'll check it out. Other than that, let me put this door back on. Put the battery in. And if you don't know how to put the battery in, if you look way back in there, there's you can see 4 little grooves back there, and you want to align them to these 4 right here. Okay, so that shows. And there you have it. So let's select English. Legal stuff, I agree. Continue the location, capture the location, excuse me, where your videos and photos are taken. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app. So I'll go ahead and get that going. In the meantime, it's pretty sturdy. I like it. I'm not a fan of the door, but I think it's going to work great. Let's compare it real quick. The size. It's roughly, the exact dimensions are roughly about 2.5 inches by 2 inches by 1.1. So you got 2.5 inches long. See how tall is this? Yeah, so right about 2 inches in height. And then your width is right about an inch. Here it is compared to Scotch tape, a light bulb, a Powerball lottery ticket, and a quarter. So I'll be putting this to test underwater here in Austin. So we'll see what the outcome is. And thanks for watching. If you can, please go ahead and subscribe. And y'all have a good day.